You own your home. You go to sleep at night. You hear a crash at 3:52 in the morning. You have a baby in the room next door. You have 2 children in the room. There's been break-ins in the past. People have been hurt in the past. Do you want the courts to second-guess your judgment? I would take any frickin' judge in this world, wake them up at 3:52 in the morning, and see how fast they can make a smart decision. Your home is your sanctuary. It's codified in the law of common law back to the 1700s. Castle law comes from this guy named Coke, who said, the home is a man's castle. It is that one place that the world knows you don't go there without permission. That is the evolution of humanity. That is the reality of every animal on the planet. You go into a wolf's den, they attack you. You go into somebody's house, you're in trouble in most parts of the world. But Canada, because we're a liberal democracy, and I don't know what that word means, honestly, in this context, you're supposed to run. Somebody comes into your house, well, geez, is there a door you can escape in? Maybe leave your kid, maybe not. Maybe try and get your kid, maybe not. But I can tell you as a former Crown attorney, I don't want a lot of those hammerheads deciding what I should do when somebody breaks into my house at 3 o'clock in the morning and I have children there, right? And I don't want to be charged because a cop is scared that his boss is going to get upset, that he didn't do the politically correct thing, because we're supposed to give the rights of criminals more value than the rights of a homeowner who's sleeping. I don't want a cop to make that call because I've got 100 grand in legal fees from people who are improperly charged. And you know what happens when you're found not guilty? Not even a sorry, nothing. You're looking at jail, but we're just supposed to allow it. But if we gave citizens of this country what's called absolute privilege to self-defense in your domicile, it means the presumption is that what you did was right. And in order for the police to charge you, there has to be significant evidence to prove that you were reckless or malicious. And in law, we talk about the presumption. And so if we adopt something like castle law that exists in the States and many other Western democracies, when the cops show up, they're not looking for reasons to charge you for using violence against a home intruder. They have to find a very clear case that you did something ridiculous. And that's a very important line to walk, because what we're sending as a message is the preservation of life. Somebody breaks into your house, I personally believe you're accepting a risk of being killed. Because at 3:52 in the morning, I don't know what's going to happen. And I can tell you what, I'd rather be judged by 12 than carried by 6.